Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swamchitarji Technical. The phones launched by Nothing have been well liked by people in the budget friendly segment. Today I will discuss about Nothing's newly launched CMF Phone 1. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe to encourage me to make more videos. Let's get started. First, I will say about the display. It has a 6.67 inch Super AMOLED display, resolution of 2400 and 1080 pixel and 120 Hz refresh rate. I think you will get a good experience in it. Next, I will talk about the camera. Nothing Phone 1 has 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel on the back and 16 megapixel on the front, where you get night and portrait mode, through which you can take a picture like DSLR. Can shoot 4K video with 120 fps and 60 fps. I think it is the best choice for vlogging in low price range. Next is the processor. Nothing has given this phone MediaTek Dimensity 7300, whose AnTuTu score is 6,73,000, for which this phone will give much faster performance than other. Fourth is the battery, which is very important for any phone. 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 33 watt super fast charging that will give you a battery life of 2 days, and this phone will charge 50% in just 20 minutes. The storage is 128 GB and 6 GB, which you can expand up to 2 TB via micro SD card, and the warranty is 1 year. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more updates.